Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and learning the videos with me. Okay, so welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids as a Cap. And in the last class, we have studied about what topic? About many things, about plants, animals. So we have studied about many topics like computer also. But in today's class, I will tell you about weather. Okay, let's start our today's class. Okay, so there are different types of weather. Okay, first one is snowy. Okay, when there are snowfall, when there are snowflakes coming. Okay, only snow comes in some of the parts of the country. Okay, not in every country. So snow, this is snow. Can you see the white parts? A big ball, a snowman, all this is made up of snow. And where is it snowing? It is very cold there. It is very chilly there. Okay. So we wear a muffler, cap, socks, gloves, everything. When it is very cold, we wear so many things. Okay. This is snowy weather. This is called snowfall. Next is rainy. It's rain season now. When there is rain coming, we wear raincoat, we wear gum boots, we use umbrellas. Okay, so in rain, we use umbrellas. Umbrella protect us from rain, from getting us wet. Okay, it is rainy season. Next is summer season. Summer season is when we wear cotton clothes, when we wear our shorts, our t-shirts, okay, and we enjoy in the pool also. We do pool party. We drink summer drinks, okay. That is summer season. Next is windy. When there is so much of wind blowing, जब बहुत हवा चलती है ना, that is called windy season. Okay, like see, all the leaves are flowing like this in the air. That is called windy season. This is stormy. When there is so much of lightning in the sky, when there is so much of thundering, when we do like this, हमें डर लगता है जब बहुत ज़्यादा लाइटिंग होती है ना स्काई में. दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टॉर्मी. ठीक है, दिस स्टॉर्मी सीजन. एंड द लास्ट इज सनी. when there is so much of sunshine, जब हमें बहुत धूप लगती है ना, that is called sunny. Okay, this is sunny. So weather is not the same every day. weather कभी भी सेम नहीं रहता है. it changes. वो daily change होता रहता है. Okay, today is rainy, so tomorrow might be sunny. Okay, so weather keeps on changing on daily basis. Okay, but we have these types of weather. Okay, we have snowy weather, raining, summer, windy, stormy and sunny. All right, next is this activity. Identify the picture and paste the correct sticker. We have to identify the picture here and then we have to paste the sticker here. That's your homework, but I will explain it to you. See, there is a snowman here and snowfall is coming, right? This is snowy weather. Okay, next is there is the sun and all the flowers are blooming. That is sunny weather. Okay, like this you have to identify the pictures and then you have to paste their stickers in this block. Okay, please do it on your own. All right class, so we have studied about weather. There are different types of weather and weather keeps on changing. Okay, and we wear clothes according to the weather. Okay, that's it for today. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.